Aloha, my name is Mindy, and I'm a therapist at Kauai Therapy and Wellness, and I'm really excited to share this free report that I created with you that can immediately relieve your back pain. But before I do want you to know that there's some different things out there that you can do for back pain, those being acupuncture, chiropractic adjustments, pain injections, ointments, heat and ice, and I'm sure there's some other ones that you have tried. Out of all these things that you can do, the only thing that produces lasting results and really corrects the fault lines in the body is movement and exercise. They actually correct the imbalances in the muscles and joints. Because if your pain is lasting for more than 3 months, it's not because there's something wrong with your muscles and joints. I know this is hard to believe, but your muscles and joints are not really what is causing the problem anymore. The deeper rooted problem is that you have these imbalances in your body now. This happens when you have pain and you start to move differently. You start to hold yourself differently. You start to do things differently. So your body starts to compensate for that difference, and then you end up with these imbalances. If you want to have relief that's long lasting, you have to correct these imbalances. That's the reason I want to share this report with you, so that you can stop trying all these other temporary methods, these Band-Aid solutions like drugs and injections, and start actually correcting those imbalances, what I call fault lines. For years, I've been seeing patients with back pain. That's what I do. I like to treat patients with back pain. And they can only really find relief when they're actually able to relieve this back pain. Then they can start to move freely and be more athletic and stand taller, hold their body better, their posture. I actually had a patient who was able to hug her child again. It had been so long. She was in so much pain that she couldn't even hold and hug her child again. But before I share with you this free report, I want to make sure that it's right for you. So that if you have recently undergone surgery and if you're in a lot of pain, don't worry. I'm going to show you, share with you modified versions of things that can help you and make it easier for you. And the other side, if you need something more challenging, I can do that for you too. Usually one exercise is not the fix for everyone. I just want you to know that there's modified versions out there to make it easier or challenging for you. If you want this free report that fixes the root causes of most problems, then enter your name and email below, and I'll make sure to send that out to you, and you'll immediately get access to it right away. So go ahead, just put your email and name below, and I will send it out to you. Aloha.